Alrighty, students, I'm in WeVideo, just like you guys are. Okay, you are in your PUSD account, hopefully. If not, sign out and sign back in with your PUSD account to WeVideo. I'm going to create a splash screen. So let me show you. I'm going to click on the text. And if you don't have a paid account, which is a non-PUSD, it's going to ask you if it's going to let you know that you can use them, but you can't export them because you don't have a paid subscription. So, but since we do, district's paid for it for you, feel free to use any one of these. So this is motion graphic. Okay, we're going to use the motion graphic. I'm going to use, let's see, where is that? This one here. I'm going to use this one, drag it down here at the bottom. I think about 4 seconds is about when I'm going to use it. The time I'm going to use it, right about there. Let me close that up. Right about there. All right, so let's see what I'm going to see what that looks like. All right, cool. I'm going to double click it and add John Muir High School Films. I'm going to change the colors. Purple. Maybe color there, just like that. Or I can go opposite. I can actually go purple there and then do that there like that. Click save. Let's see what that looks like. Scroll it back, hit the space bar. All right, cool. Now I'm going to find some audio to go with it. An effect, a sound effect. You don't want to add music because music's too long, right? Even though you can edit it. So I'm going to go with sound effects. None of these, I believe, will work for what I want. But let's see. No. No. You should already have a plan as to what you want to do, because doing this will take you forever. Okay, so I went to this website, freesound.org, and I typed in intro. You guys can sign up for freesound.org. I typed in intro just to give me some kind of like an intro. And I like, see, it gives you all these previews here. Play any of them. I'll play the ones that are not as loud. See, I went through a few of them, and the one I like is this one, Blade Intro. So I'm going to click on there. I'm going to download it, click download, and it'll download to my downloads folder. Going back to WeVideo, going to my media, because that's my media. I'm going to upload it, which is import it. Okay, I'm going to bring it in from my computer. So I'm going to browse to select it, and it's right there. Blade Intro, click open, and there it is right here. See, I have all these others that are my library because I've been using it. So there it is. Now I'm going to click and drag it down. Now look what happens. Oh no, it turns red, right? Because this is an audio file. You can't put it in the video track. So we got to go on the audio track. Lay it down there, let go of my mouse, and then I'm going to trim it to where it fits. All right, let's see what it looks like. Okay, cool. I think I'll stick with that. If I wanted to have a fade in and fade out, click on the audio track here, click fade, and it gives you 1 second fade in and 1 second fade out. I think that's too much. I'm going to go with half a second, 0.5. Tab key, 0.5. Then click it. Let's play it. That's it. We're good to go. You can also rename your tracks here. Like I can double click it and call it motion graphic. And then call it intro jingle. So that's what it is. It's a jingle. Or call it intro is fine. Key. Now I'm going to finish it by exporting it. High def. Okay. Let's name it my splash screen, right? And then go ahead and put your initials in there, okay? So just say, bam. Pick a thumbnail. Thumbnail is what shows up. Link it to your Google Drive, which I'm doing now. I clicked on my PUSD address. So now it's going to save it to my Google Drive. Depending on your speed, this may take longer, or it might not be as long. And once you're done, you'll get this screen ready to go. So you click play just to make sure everything's good. It'll take you to another window. All right, we're good to download. So let's download it. Click download. Download HD. Okay, you want to download HD. And there it is. Download it. It's downloading to your downloads folder. And that's what you use to turn into your Canvas page. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.